Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we want to go over an ultralight carbon fiber folding electric wheelchair. It's called the Matrix Ultra. So once you remove the battery from this, it gets down to 34 pounds, but it can hold up to 330 pounds of weight. One of the really cool features too is that it comes with two batteries. So both batteries combined, you get 18 miles on a single on a charge between the both. One battery is just 9 miles. You do have a little storage compartment underneath that you can store the second battery in. Airline approved. This is the pink color. It's not my favorite, but pink might be your color. But let's get into it. We'll show you some more about the Matrix Ultra. So on the back, you can see there is a little storage pouch here. And we have two of these spring suspensions. We've got two 250 watt motors here. They're both in the drive position, so if you notice, I can't move this. But if I wanted to push it, like it ran out of battery life, for example, I have to push both of these levers forward. And when I do that, it's going to give this error message. It's very common. Different chairs from different manufacturers are going to beep, and C4 means that it's in freewheel mode. But when I turn it off, now I can push it like a manual wheelchair. You're not going to be able to operate it when it's in neutral. So you have to push both of these back into drive. And then when I power this on, you can now use the chair. On the sides here, you can see there's kind of a reflective hubcaps on both of these. Kind of gives it a unique look. These are also flat free tires. A cushion on here, nice material. It's like a mesh kind of material. They're easy to remove. And yeah, you can remove the front and the back easily. Comes standard with the seat belt. Armrest also flip up for easy transfers in and out of the seat. You just press these buttons on the side and it comes right up. Now you can get in and out easily.
Hey, quick announcement. Just wanted to let you know we are giving away a free mobility scooter. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and then also comment on any video. It can be this video or it can be any video on our channel. Once you do those two things, you'll be eligible for our next giveaway. We are doing this monthly and we will announce this on all of our social media platforms when the winner is announced. So just wanted to let you know. Now back to the video.
Now I'll go on to the joystick here. I'll show you this. It's a nice digital joystick. It is in kilometers. So this is your speed. Here's your battery life. This is your speed control. We have it at the max speed. It's around 4 miles per hour is your top speed, but I can turn it all the way down, turn it all the way up. Here's your horn. It's pretty loud. People are going to hear you with that horn. As far as charging the batteries, you can charge it directly on the joystick. So you can charge it right there. That's pretty common on most electric wheelchairs. And I think you might be able to charge it on the battery. Let's see. There's a button up here. So you can also charge it directly on the battery. So if you want to leave the chair in your car or in your garage, you can just bring the battery in and charge it, as opposed to bringing the whole thing in. Now putting it back on here, and just slide it back on these tracks. All right, there, now I got it on the track. While I'm down here where the battery is, you can see there's another storage area. Got a zipper pouch here. Probably be a good idea to keep your charger in there. We also have two spring suspensions here on the front, and you got your flip up foot plate. Now you're going to see a lot of these carbon fiber electric wheelchairs that are on the market now. They're super lightweight and they're really durable and can hold a lot of weight. So a lot of times you'll see people want really, really lightweight electric wheelchairs. This is one of the lighter ones on the market.
So when you order a product that's made by Discover Your Mobility, you actually get a lot of free stuff that comes with it. And I'm going to go over that with you real quick. So what you're going to receive is an umbrella, which can be mounted to your mobility scooter or electric wheelchair. You're also going to get touch-up paint. You're going to receive an arm bag holder that can go on the armrest. You're going to get a cup holder. Now this cup holder is for a mobility scooter, and this cup holder is for the electric wheelchair. You're going to get a cane holder. You're going to get a safety flag. You're going to get an oxygen tank holder. You're going to get a car charger. And you're going to get a headlight And this is also a horn as well. And you're going to get a cover. So you get all this stuff for free. Share that with you. Now back to the video.
Now, as far as folding it, I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to flip up this foot plate, a little latch here. So I press that, and then I can just fold it right up. I had the foot plate kind of tucked under here, so I want to make sure it's not tucked under there. It's on the outside. And it should set upright. So the reason why it's not sitting upright is because these are these anti-tip wheels. So I can pull this pin out and kind of move this down to the next level. Like that, and I'll do it on this side. There, now we have it set up right. So it's about 12 inches wide. So you can easily store this in your closet. It doesn't take up much space, easily fit in the back of your trunk of your car. As far as unfolding it, super easy. Grab this bar on the back of the seat back, and I can just unfold it like that. So it's very easy. This is a great option if you like to travel a lot because it's lightweight, and the fact that it supports 330 pounds, being so lightweight, is pretty unusual. If you have any questions about the Matrix Ultra, give us a call. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or you can just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. You guys have an awesome day.